Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Toptal screening in startup-friendly freelance work, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To activate Toptal screening and start your journey in startup-friendly freelance work, begin by visiting the Toptal website. Create an account by registering with your email address and setting up a password. Once your account is created, log in to your Toptal dashboard. Navigate to the screening section on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various screening processes that Toptal offers. Review the requirements for each screening stage, including skills assessment and interview formats. Prepare for the technical screening by honing your skills in your area of expertise. Utilize Toptal's resources, such as webinars and community forums, for guidance and preparation tips. Book your screening sessions as soon as you feel ready. Communicate effectively during the screening by showcasing your technical skills and problem-solving abilities. Once you complete the screening, await feedback from Toptal's talent team. If successful, you will receive an invitation to join the Toptal network. After acceptance, update your profile to reflect your skills and experiences accurately. Explore Toptal's job listings to find projects that align with your expertise and interests. Apply for freelance opportunities that are startup-friendly and match your career goals. Engage with potential clients by showcasing your portfolio and discussing your relevant experience. Maintain communication with clients and collaborate effectively to build strong working relationships. Keep an eye on new opportunities as the Toptal network frequently updates listings. Utilize Toptal's resources to continually enhance your skills and stay competitive in the freelance market. Stay active in the Toptal community for networking and support as you progress in your freelance career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.